G'day everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm taking you along as we're getting a Retul Bike Fit. Bicycle fitting is defined as the detailed process of evaluating the cyclist's physical and performance requirements and systematically adjusting the bicycle to meet the cyclist's goals. Here you can see we're fitting the leads for the computer to read all of my positions so that we can get the best insight to see the way my body is performing and to make the necessary adjustments for me to be most effective on the bicycle. The Retul Vintage system is a popular tool to assess dynamic positioning of cyclists. A bicycle fit is done to ensure that your bike is adjusted to match your body dimensions, flexibility, and riding style. The goal is to improve comfort, performance, and injury prevention. When we look at comfort, first of all, it's to reduce pain or discomfort in the back, neck, knees, hands, or saddle area by optimizing position. The second part is injury prevention. It prevents overuse injuries by ensuring your joints and muscles work in proper alignment. Thirdly, efficiency. It maximizes power transfer and pedaling efficiency, which is especially important for racing or long rides. Fourthly, when we look at performance, fine-tune body position to reduce aerodynamic drag and improve endurance. Lastly, customization. It takes into account unique aspects like the length of your legs, your flexibility, or prior injuries. As seen in this study, you can clearly see how the comfort and the fatigue levels have both improved after a bike fitment. Minor adjustments are made to the seat height as well as the seat angle to optimize seating position and pedaling efficiency. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like, subscribe, and let me know down in the comments if you ever had any bike fit or if it's something that you are interested in.